Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make cauliflower and potato dry recipe. I will put some masala. I will show you the masala what I am going to use. I hope you will like this recipe. First of all, I will fry this. I have put saffron and some salt in the cauliflower and potato, you can see. Now first of all, I will fry this. To fry the cauliflower and the potato, I will use mustard oil. Once the mustard oil turns hot, I will put in the potato and cauliflower to fry. Friends, I am putting the cauliflower and potato to fry. Friends, now for the masala I will use 2 green chilies, some garlic and 3 tomatoes. This I will make into a paste. Friends, the cauliflower and potato has gone brown, it's dried up, you can see. Now I'll take them out. Friends, in the same oil I will make the curry, the dry cauliflower and potato recipe. This oil is too much, so I will take out some oil from it. Friends, now in the same oil I will make the recipe. I have taken some jeera and some bay leaves. This I will put in. The paste which I have made, this also I will put in now. Friends, now I will use some jeera powder. Little bit jeera powder. Little bit red chili powder. Some turmeric powder. I will let all this fry a little bit. Friends, you can see this masala is turned brown. You can see it. Now I will put in the fried cauliflower and potato. Friends, I will put some salt. I'll put some salt. Friends, little bit water I will add. The potatoes are already cooked up, so I've used very little water. I will cover this and let this water dry. Friends, you can see the water is dried up and the recipe also is ready. I hope you all will like this recipe. Friends, cauliflower and potato dry recipe is ready with the masalas. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.